you see the houseboats, the canoes, and the shikaras there. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. We are a bit sad today because it is our last day in Kerala. Well, tomorrow is our last day, but we are leaving tomorrow, and we wanted to finish this off in style, and we didn't want to miss this opportunity to show you guys another place. So, guess where we are? We are in Alleppey and this is our room. So I wanted to give you a little room tour as well because we found this great place through Google, and let me show you around. So this is a small room that we've got, and the name of this place is Paddy and Canal. So let me show you the room. Okay, so this is the little bed. Yes, so this is the little bed, a little table here, nice mirror. It's an AC room. You will need that here because it is a bit humid and hot as well. And I don't want to open this because of the insects outside and the mosquitoes. I'll just leave it like that. But I'll show you. Our boat is waiting for us right there. So we are going to go in that canoe and go around Alleppey. I will introduce you to the owner. His name is Robin, and this here is the washroom. Yes, so very nice, decent size washroom. There is a shower and wash basin, everything is clean. So yes, pretty decent room. Let me also show you what is outside. So there's this little table and benches here where you can sit and eat. And yeah, there are some sofas. There's even a guitar here. Okay, I can go out from here. Let me show you what we are going to experience. So yes, there are little sofas here as well. So we are staying right near the canal. So this is going to be a little canoe. We don't want the big ones, it's just two of us. So we are going to go through this. But how about this? Completely different experience from Munnar and Kochi. What I like is that they have these little nets everywhere. So you can just open this because we are near the water. So there are some small flies in the evenings, insects as well. So yes, that side is the view of the Paddy. So the name of the place is called Paddy and Canal. Look at this. So I'll show you that. Let's go on the terrace. There's a little terrace here where we put our clothes for drying because we've been in Kerala for a few days now, almost 10 days I guess. I've even lost count. Yes, this is the view of the Paddy. Let me go upstairs. So the reason why we chose this place is because we saw very good reviews of the place, and yes, it's a decent place. I am happy because we are right next to the canal here, and we can just go around. So basically, if you know the history of canals, it was built by a king to facilitate the trade. And yes, look at this. So this is the view we have of the Paddy from the terrace. And one thing what I liked about Kerala a lot is the abundance of fruits. So look at this, I can literally just pluck the mangoes from here. So there are so many mangoes growing. It's the summer season now, and in Munnar we saw the tea plantations when you go down the road. And yeah, talking about the road, we traveled all the way from Munnar to Alleppey. It was a long journey, 7 hours journey, but it was okay for me because the sights that you get to see were good. I would suggest, if you're traveling, make sure you eat, and secondly, good luck to you if there is a fat person sitting next to you, because that is what happened to me. I had to change my seat like 3 to 4 times. And yeah, do not carry big bags because the storage on top. If you have a slimmer bag, you can easily tuck it, or you can even tuck it under the seat, but do not carry huge bags. It will be a big problem for you. So there, Robin is right there. He's setting up the boat and everything for us. Look at this. So there's one going already. These look like the local boats. They look like fishermen who are going. Said hi to them, said bye as well. Wow. So this is going to be a very different experience. We are excited, but yes, I feel sad as well because we are going to leave Kerala. What an experience we've had in Kerala. Like, I loved it. I highly recommend, if you've not been to Kerala, please visit. It's forget all the shit that is spoken on the media and everything. Just visit, guys. You will have a completely different opinion about Kerala. Adrian, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. So yeah, both of us had a very hectic journey, but when we saw the view outside, we were like, we have to do this. Other thing what I wanted to highlight is make sure you carry the incense stick, sorry, specifically comfort, lemongrass and camphor. That fragrance works really well. In case if there are insects or mosquitoes, you might encounter those because you're next to the water here. We did see some insects and everything, but we lit up the incense sticks and we slept like babies. And other thing is carry very loose, airy and comfortable clothing if you're coming towards the coast in the summers.
Especially cotton and linen.
Cotton and linen, yes. So I am wearing linen, Adrian is wearing cotton. Now let's go in the canoe. This is where we were staying, and look at this. As I keep saying, in Kerala you get to see so many beautiful things, and look at this. As I said, people prioritize plants and everything here. So look how they made this. I think they're growing something, and we are taking these steps down, and there is Robin's brother. This is Robin. Hi, we'll talk to him. And yeah, this is where they stay. So it's a homestay. We were here yesterday evening. We had to have some coffee. Look at this. They've done all sorts of creative things. So many things to show here. But yeah, we'll get to that later. And let me introduce you to Reno. So this is Reno. This is Robin's brother. Robin is here. He's going to take us around. And this is their mom. Hello, auntie.
Hello.
Yeah. So we are going to go in this boat, right? Yeah. Okay. It's a canoe and it belongs to Robin and family. So guys, if you are here in Alleppey, contact Robin. This is a brand new boat that he has, and this homestay belongs to him as well, and we had a good night's sleep. Thank you. Air conditioning, everything is very good. And once again, if you are here, if you want to go around the canals, we've taken this ride for 4 hours. So Robin is going to be with us. We are going to try some fishing. We are going to try the local toddy, local breakfast, and we are even going to go through some villages, paddy fields. There's a lot to do. He is the expert, and they are the experts here. So yes, we spoke to them for a long time. Now let's go in there and experience all of this. So you have to keep your footwear here first, and Robin is helping us, and you have to squeeze in a little bit. Be careful. Can I go?
Yeah.
Can I keep my leg on this?
Yeah.
So let me keep my leg here. Wow. We are into our canoe, and yes, they have given life jackets and everything, but for now let me just settle in and we can wear that later. It's very awkward. We are in the boat, but let's do a quick interview with Robin and Reno. Reno will leave and Robin will come with us, right?
Yes.
Robin and Reno, just quick question. How long is the boat?
It's actually brand new one. We
Yeah.
just by 1 month ago.
1 month. And how long it is? How many feet?
How many?
Feet.
It's around 30 feet.
30 feet. Okay. And what is the wood that you guys
It's
have?
annually wood. It's best for the
Anili wood. Okay. And I can see on the roof you have used it's a shed made of bamboo.
it's actually a traditional style, and it's made of bamboo and a coconut leaf
Ah.
and palm tree wood.
Okay. Nice. All right. So we'll let them go now.
Yeah.
And we'll carry on with the ride. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you. And look at this. Look at where we are. Oh yes, and Robin is right here. All 3 brothers, their name begins with R. So it's Robin, Reno, and the elder brother Ronnie. Ronnie. Nice. Okay, so we are off. Let's do this. No, not yet. Again, come on.
Too cold. Yes.
Yeah, cold. Yeah. Looks like finally we are off. So maybe you guys have a question why we chose Alleppey. First of all, because it is the Venice of India. Secondly, we went to Kochi and Munnar. Totally different experience. And this again is totally different experience. And the reason why these canals were made is because you know the king that time, I don't remember his name.
Raja Keshava.
Huh?
Raja Keshava.
Keshava Das. Yeah, thank you so much. Robin has very good knowledge in history. I read about it yesterday. I forgot. Raja Keshava Das. Yeah. So he is the one who spoke to the people there and everything, and they made the canals in such a way. It's in a rectangular shape, so we can literally go there, take a right turn, again right turn, and right, and then right again. We'll be back here. So yes, he's made it in such a way where they used to carry things from the forts and get it to their warehouses.
Yeah.
Wow. So we are off and we are shaking, but yes, I have full faith in Robin's new boat. Yeah, look at this. We already passed by so many boats. A while to turn this thing. These are government boats?
Yeah.
Ah,
It's a workshop.
workshop.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very good.
okay. Look at that. So,
Reno looks very.
so Reno will manage the homestay now, I guess. Bye bye.
Don't.
Wow.
Wow, you
We
should
are
take
off.
this. You should
Look
go
at
in
this.
front, Gavin,
No.
to get a good view.
Adrian here is forcing me to do things, but yes, let me do that. Let me walk a little bit on the boat. It is shaking so much. I think this is good. Wow. It's like I am Jack from Titanic. Amazing. This is so cool. Like the experience is so cool. And here are these boats drowned or what?
Yeah.
Okay, these are some. Oh, look at this egret. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 1 minute into our ride and we've seen so much already. So yes, now we've left a small canal and now we are heading to a big canal. Look at that. So if you would have come here like half an hour earlier, we would have got the sunrise as well. So you can plan that with Robin, but we didn't want to wake up early because we were tired. Check these boats out. So many boats. So many boats. Wow. Look at this bird here. So I'm sure you're going to see a lot of birds. I don't know if you can see it. That bird dives in the water and catches fish. And now we are passing by some temple. Yeah. Don't shake too much. We have to balance the boat. But look at this. How about this for a view? Robin, the long snake boat race. It's held here in Alleppey.
Yeah, that's the finishing point of the ride.
Oh, okay.
I told you.
There.
Yeah, this island.
This island, nice. So Adrian told me this. I did not know. She was reading the snake boat, the long snake boats that we saw in Kochi in the shop. That's the finishing point of that race. Wow. How about that for a side? Robin has to be careful because there are other boats as well, but so far he's done a fine job. And what do we have here? What is this? This is the one. Here it finishes the race. Ah.
There is the finishing point. We are going to the starting point. I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Robin is taking us to the starting point of the race. He said that it's like an island where they put the flag in those boats and then they start the journey. Amazing. Look at this. Every time we are passing by the water and we are seeing such huge boats. And we are going to do some fishing as well, right, Robin?
Yeah.
Nice. So in Goa I was not lucky. Let's see in Kerala what happens. So we are going to try some little bit of fishing. Look at that, cool. And the bird that I just showed you, it just dived right in. So yes, these are good signs. There are definitely a lot of fish. There is a fish here, specific fish here called carmine, which they eat. And yeah, if I get that, I would be happy to try that. But yes, what a cool experience.
This is a
Let me just show you where we've come from. Now it's okay? I asked Robin for permission if I can stand. Wow. So I'm literally standing right here. Look at that. We came from there. This is insane, guys. This is the favorite part on a boat. I did this in Goa as well. Just love this. It's so thrilling and yeah, balancing. Don't worry. Yeah. It's get a little difficult when you put on some weight, right?
put on your
We ate so much in Kerala, so much, you know. I'm sure I put on like 3-4 kgs. I think it's visible now. Look at this. So this is the bird that dives right in to catch some fish. I think they're called comrades, if I remember. Not very sure. Wow. And look at this. And yesterday in the bus, Adrian was complaining so much. Why are we traveling so far? Why are we going to LAP? Blah 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 blah. And look who's busy clicking pictures and videos and who's enjoying now. You can see a big group in the distance. They are kayaking there. Nice. That will be fun as well. But we have done so much kayaking in Goa. This is totally different, like completely different experience. I have only seen these on pictures, like on videos and you know, in the movies, but experiencing all this from the boat now is so good. Look at that. These are the huge houseboats, you know, where you can book and stay. Look at that. Look at this. So many. That's a casino. It was named Casino. So people are staying in there. They have rooms there. You can stay in this houseboat. But yeah, this was very economical for us, and Robin has given us a very good deal. And I spoke to him for our viewers. The good news is that if you're booking a room and if you're booking this boat through Robin, he will give you some very good rates. He will give you some discounted rates as well. So if you're coming here, let him know that you watched the video. So yes, look at that. So these are some people from the village. They are taking this boat, and this is how they used to do it in the olden days. So these are the kind of boat they had, and he has a huge bamboo stick, and then he is taking that to go down this, go across the canal. Yes. Robin mentioned that, you know, wait, sorry, I forgot to show you. There's a bridge here. Sorry. Yeah, so this bridge is the starting point of the snake boat race. Snake boats they are called, right? Yeah. And he also mentioned that 50 people can sit on one side. Yeah. So there are like 100 people in the boat. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I don't know if we got that. So many of these birds. There's one even flying behind us. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I know this is like an average day for these guys, but this is what excites me. Look at these. So many small canals. There are many small canals from the main canal. This is the main canal, and there are small canals.
Main canal. After 1.5 hours, we will enter the small canal.
Ah, after 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Now we are going to see the big canal and also largest canal in the India, longest canal, longest lake in India.
Okay. Longest lake in India.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not river.
Ah.
River is like Yenna, you know.
Yeah.
But lake.
Lake is the biggest lake.
Yeah, Vembanad Lake.
Which lake?
Vembanad.
Vembanad. So.
It's the longest lake in India.
So this is a complete surprise for us. We did not know we are going to the biggest lake in India. It's called the Vembanad Lake. We have just started the trip in like 10 to 15 minutes. So many surprises. Look at this. So these guys are staying right next to the water. This is so cool. Yeah, and that is the bridge. Look at this boat. Look at what they've used. So this is a coir from the coconut tree, and they have strapped it on some piece of wood, and it's working as a sturdy and nice platform. So we kept our footwear here and we are seated at the back. And yes, you want to say something?
Yeah, about this boat race you can.
So besides handling this beautiful canoe, Robin is sharing some very good information with us as well. So he said the snake boat is shaped in the shape of a cobra, and as we spoke earlier, nearly 100 people can sit in it. Besides that, the longest one is 120 feet long. And besides that, he also said that Raja Keshava used similar kinds of boats in his wars, you know. So this boat, they made the structure inspired by those boats that were used in the war. Such interesting history, isn't it? On the way you can even see some small shops here. I saw a gentleman having tea, so yes, we want to have some breakfast as well. And these are the small little boats. It even has a shed. So yeah, these belong to the locals here. And I saw one boy just take off the water from here and just wash his face. I wonder how clean the water is here. Look at this. Another one. Yes, as you can see, it's early morning and people from the villages, they are out. They are, you know, going through their morning routine. You can see some people dressed up. I think they're going to work. I don't know. But wow, this has been like a totally different experience. I don't know how many times I've said that, but what a beautiful experience this has been. And I heard some people bursting crackers because today is Vishu, so we want to wish all our viewers from Kerala and all our Mallu viewers happy Vishu. Check this out. And Adrian says quite a big canal. And she said in the map it looks very small. And yes, just an advice from me: when you are traveling, do not have any expectations, because every time you expect something, it will turn out to be something the complete opposite. This is what I have personally experienced going to, I won't say, I cannot say I've traveled the world, but I've been to many places, and yes, that is exactly what I have noticed. And this has turned out to be that way. Look at that. Some more locals going here. They're going to, I don't know where they're going, but yeah, they're going somewhere. Can you imagine these people living next to the canal? What a sight they have every day. They're blessed with such a beautiful sight. These are the ferry stops, and how much do they charge for the ticket?
It's very cheap. It's cheaper than bus.
Cheaper than bus, like 5-10 rupees?
Yeah.
Ah,
So starting price is 5 rupees.
5 rupees. Okay. So yes, in case if you want to get to one point to another point, you can go to one of these stops and get a ferry. You know these patterns of clouds? Somebody on Facebook highlighted about something about these patterns. They are usually seen if any cloud seeding is done. I wonder, you know, it's been raining lately, and in the UAE they do cloud seeding, but I don't know, here in India we've not heard about it. Distance, look at the shape of that coconut tree. So cool. Yes, what's this? Restaurant, Gauri restaurant. Ah, there's a restaurant here.
We have
Robin mentioned that, you know, we have two options for breakfast. One was the restaurant that passed by. The name was Gauri restaurant, and the second one is in the village. So they provide some toddy and they also provide breakfast. He said that he doesn't know what's going to be there because it's been a long time since he went there. But tapioca is definitely on the menu, So we've had a lot of idli, vada and dosa, parota, everything. I guess that restaurant serves that kind of stuff. Today is going to be something totally different on the menu. So yeah, these are the huge houseboats, and Robin mentioned that they give you a ride for 5 hours and the 1 hour the next day. Yes, it's very costly. The price is close to 10,000 Indian rupees, but for us, we've got such a good deal, and we are in this beautiful canoe of ours, and Robin is giving us so much information as well. So yes, big thumbs up. We're really enjoying this, and I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think I really missed the houseboat because I'm getting everything what I want from this boat. It's just that over there I think the washroom and the food and everything is served on board. But for us, we also want to go through the villages and talk to the locals and experience all this outside the canal as well. So yes, again, big thumbs up. Yes, Robin is willing to give our viewers a discount. So yeah, I'll give you a breakup. The room that we are staying in is a small room, good enough for 2 of us. So the charge is 1500 per room, but he is willing to give you guys a discount per night 1500, and on top of that you'll get a discount. I'll leave his number in the description. And for this canoe ride, it's a 5-hour package. So if a single person goes through the canoe, the charge is 3000 rupees, but every additional person 750 will be added to the 3000, and that includes breakfast, it includes tender coconut, it includes walking through the villages, it includes going to the toddy shop also, right? Yeah, so lots of things are involved. Again, I will leave his number in the description, and you can contact him. I would highly recommend it because it's been only like few hours that we are experiencing this, and the person who didn't want to was hesitant to come to Alleppey seems to be enjoying the ride.